So, we got called in to perform an emergency commercial cleaning. A fire extinguisher fell off the wall and started discharging dust. This was followed by an associate grabbing the extinguisher and running to the warehouse as fast as they could, leaving a trail of dust covering the floors and the merchandise. When we arrived, we machine sprayed the merchandise with 50/50 isotope alcohol, and then we wiped every piece of inventory by hand. We also vacuumed, dusted, and shampooed the carpets and mopped the floors with an alcohol floor cleaning solution. It was projected to take 5 men in 3 days. We got this job done with the right tools, 2 men in 6 hours. Book a deep cleaning of your commercial space today. Visit scenetcleaning.com or call 800-257-5834. A live person is always standing by to help.